recently released officially their new LTE-Advanced prepaid Wi-Fi modem to compete with the LTE-Advanced modems of PLDT. The unit is quite familiar to some because it is the same as what has been available online through sellers known as the Globe Cat 7 modem. And upon checking, the unit is indeed the same. It's the Huawei B535-932 modem, and in this video we'll see if there's any difference between that Globe Cat 7 modem and this new Globe Prepaid Wi-Fi LTE Advanced modem. I got this unit from Lazada at 1,999 pesos with a free tote bag worth 495 pesos. Feature-wise, it is the same as my old Cat 7 modem since it's the same Huawei model. But comparing it to other available Globe prepaid Wi-Fis, it features carrier aggregation which should give you faster speeds, and it is also dual band. Speaking of dual band, the 5 GHz band is theoretically faster than the 2.4 GHz band since there is less interference from other devices. But it has a shorter range and is not advisable if your router is separated by walls from where you connect. Near the device, there is not much of a difference between the two bands, but when I went to the opposite room upstairs, the signal of the 5 GHz band significantly dropped. This is where the band steering feature of this modem comes in handy, so that it will automatically switch from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz depending on the signal strength. In terms of speed, the LTE Plus signal should give you faster speeds, but it will ultimately depend on your location and even on the router position. Moving it around the house gave me different speed test results from less than 5 Mbps to more than 20 Mbps download speeds. The widely available Globe Cat 7 clearly has a postpaid label written on the box, and the reason for that is explained in my previous video. And also in that video, I mentioned that I had admin access to the Globe Cat 7 and locked the band to band 28 from the 3 available LTE bands. In this new version of the modem, it supports 5 bands, band 1, 3, 28, 40, and 41. However, admin access is currently not yet available in this modem, so you cannot fix the best band in your area and have to rely on finding the best position in your house where you can get the fastest speeds. Another thing to note, both the old Cat 7 version and the new Globe LTE Advanced prepaid Wi-Fi cannot be connected to the Huawei AI Life and Huawei Hi-Link, so you have to rely on the router admin page for controlling your device. One advantage though of the new LTE Advanced prepaid modem is that you can read SMS, which is a feature missing from the old Cat 7 modem. As a conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade from your old Globe modem and already have a good signal in your area, then this device is highly recommended. Now, between this device and the old Cat 7, it's basically the same, with the main advantage of the old Cat 7 being its price. I've noticed that prices have dropped to as low as 1,000 pesos for the old device, so if you chance upon this deal, I suggest you buy it. Another advantage is being able to have admin access to control which LTE band to connect to. But if you're not in a hurry, you can buy the new Globe LTE Advanced prepaid Wi-Fi and just wait for admin access to be available. So with that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Misadventures of Ronnie G. Thank you for watching and stay safe.